I'm Delisa, and I'm from Chicago, Illinois. By trade, I'm an IT administrator. I was looking to do forms of rehabs here in Chicago, and I was looking for lenders who would support fix and flips. And I came across them on the internet. I did a little research, found out a little bit more about the reviews, and contacted them. After researching the company and signing up for their program, working with Jerry Lynn in the office through this entire loan process, she was very informative, friendly, professional, encouraging, but she definitely was a pivotal part to me closing, so that's a benefit. Having financial security, I think, is everyone's goal, where you don't have that ultimate worry of how you're going to pay your next bill. I hope to fix and flip several houses in my community, again, to enhance the living conditions and the environment where I currently live, to give just a better way of life and affordable living. Sometimes you can make, with a fix and flip, what an individual makes within a year or annual salary. So it's important to find something that is worth the investment. And when I say worth the investment, like this old house we're currently in right now, when I first walked in, it was the space. It was the welcoming vibe that I received when I walked into the home. It's a brown brick stone, which is always going to be profitable and holds its value. This house was an older house, so when we came in again, it had a little charm, a little character. Some things that needed to be done as far as upgrading, definitely cosmetic work, plastering, painting, but we're doing an addition in the back in order to add a little extra value to the home. The home is initially a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, but when we're done, it's going to be a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, which really puts us in a good niche in the market. Well, so far, cash to close had to be $7,000 cash to close. You have to invest into something if you think it's going to be profitable, beneficial, and rewarding. On the low end, $40,000. On the high end, $60,000 to $75,000. Going into fixing and flipping property, you do have to have a passion for it. It's not something that you can say, oh, I'm here and I just want to do this today. You really have to be willing to invest your time, your energy, your money, your expertise, and grow from a point where it's that you want to be profitable, not in just your first flip, but several flips thereafter. So if you are new and you don't have any previous knowledge or just experience in the area, they make you feel comfortable and confident that you can achieve that goal. You need finances, and you don't want to dig into your cookie jar, right, to make things happen. And just to have someone support your dream and what you want to do is very important. So they believed in me that I could make this happen, and we're going to make it happen.